Before starting, put the auto-generated YouTube subtitles in French or your mother tongue to get everything, and slow down or speed up the pace as needed. If you don't have time to watch it, just listen this video as a podcast while doing something else. Now listen and learn English as exploring our world. The universe is vast, a cosmic ocean teeming with billions upon billions of stars and even more planets. It's enough to make you feel incredibly small, insignificant even. But it also begs the question, are we alone in this vast expanse? For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars and pondered the existence of extraterrestrial life. From ancient philosophers to modern-day scientists, the question has captivated our collective imagination. And today, we stand at a pivotal point, armed with powerful telescopes and scientific instruments, ready to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. In this series, we'll delve into the top 10 scientific clues that point towards the existence of life beyond Earth. We'll examine the evidence, analyze the data, and explore the mind-blowing possibilities. So, strap yourselves in and prepare to have your mind blown wide open because we're about to embark on a thrilling quest for extraterrestrial life. We begin our countdown with perhaps the most intriguing and controversial evidence: government reports and declassified UFO sightings. For decades, governments around the world, particularly the United States, treated the subject of UFOs as something out of science fiction, dismissing it as mere speculation or conspiracy theory. However, in recent years, the narrative has shifted dramatically. Governments have begun to declassify previously top-secret documents, revealing a treasure trove of information about unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs. These documents, often accompanied by radar data and eyewitness accounts from credible sources like military pilots, paint a compelling picture. While some of these sightings can be attributed to atmospheric anomalies or experimental aircraft, others remain stubbornly unexplained. Their movements defy our understanding of physics and aerodynamics, leaving scientists and analysts baffled. Could these UAPs be advanced drones from foreign powers, or could they be evidence of something far more extraordinary? While we don't have definitive answers, the evidence is compelling enough to warrant serious investigation. Our search for extraterrestrial life isn't limited to mysterious objects in our skies. For decades, scientists have been actively listening to the cosmos, hoping to detect signs of intelligent life beyond Earth. This endeavor is known as SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The premise of SETI is simple but profound. Intelligent civilizations, if they exist, are likely to produce some form of electromagnetic radiation, just as we do with our radio and television broadcasts. By scanning the skies for these artificial signals, we might just stumble upon evidence of our cosmic neighbors. Imagine the excitement of intercepting a message from a distant star system, a message that confirms we are not alone in the universe. It would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history, fundamentally changing our understanding of our place in the cosmos. We've all looked up at the night sky and wondered about life beyond Earth, but what if I told you clues might be closer than we think, literally right here on Earth in the form of meteorites from Mars? Now, these aren't just any space rocks. These Martian messengers have traveled millions of miles across the solar system, carrying with them secrets from our red neighbor. Scientists have been studying these meteorites, and what they've found is, well, pretty cosmic. We're talking about organic molecules, the building blocks of life as we know it. Finding these molecules within Martian meteorites tells us that the raw ingredients for life could have existed on Mars billions of years ago. Now, this doesn't mean we found little green Martians fossilized in these rocks, but it does raise fascinating questions about the possibility of past life on Mars and fuels our curiosity about the potential for life beyond Earth. When we think about potential life in our solar system, Mars often steals the spotlight. But let's not forget Venus, our other celestial neighbor. Now, Venus is hot, like really hot, with a surface temperature that can melt lead. Not exactly a welcoming environment, but high above Venus's scorching surface, in its thick, swirling clouds, there's a mystery brewing. Scientists recently detected the presence of phosphine gas in Venus's atmosphere. And here's the thing about phosphine: on Earth it's often associated with living organisms. Now, before we get ahead of ourselves and start picturing Venusian cloud cities, it's important to remember that phosphine can also be produced by non-biological processes. However, the conditions on Venus make those non-biological explanations a bit of a head-scratcher. This detection of phosphine in Venus's atmosphere has thrown a cosmic curveball into our understanding of our sister planet. It's like finding a penguin in the Sahara Desert. it makes you wonder how it got there. Imagine scanning the cosmos, listening for a whisper, a sign, a signal that we are not alone. That's what astronomers have been doing for decades with radio telescopes, giant ears pointed at the heavens. And in 1977, one of those telescopes, the Big Ear at Ohio State University, caught something extraordinary. It wasn't aliens calling to say take me to your leader, but it was intriguing nonetheless. This signal, lasting a mere 72 seconds, was a powerful burst of radio waves unlike anything astronomers had encountered before. When astronomer Jerry Amon first saw the data printout, he scribbled "wow" on the page, and the name stuck. The WOW signal, a brief but tantalizing whisper from the cosmos, became a cornerstone of SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. The WOW signal wasn't your typical radio noise. It was a narrowband signal, concentrated around a specific frequency, and it exhibited a characteristic drift that suggested it originated from a fixed point in space. Friends, Mars has always held a special place in our collective imagination. It's the red planet, a beacon of possibility in our solar system. And as we've sent rovers and orbiters to explore its surface and atmosphere, we've encountered some truly puzzling phenomena. One of the most baffling is the fluctuating presence of methane in the Martian atmosphere. Now, methane is a simple molecule, just one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms, but on Earth it's often associated with life. The vast majority of methane in our atmosphere comes from biological sources like, well, let's just say cows. So naturally, when we detect methane on Mars, our antennae go up. Could this be a sign of microbial Martians? And here's where it gets even more interesting. The methane levels aren't constant, they seem to fluctuate, rising and falling with the Martian seasons. What could explain these variations? Well, there are geological processes that can produce methane, but the seasonal variation is harder to explain without considering the possibility of, dare I say it, life. In the cosmic quest for life beyond Earth, one crucial ingredient stands out: water. Why? Well, as far as we know, life as we understand it needs water to exist. It's the universal solvent, the lifeblood of our planet and likely any other planet teeming with life. And guess what? We've found evidence of water on Mars. Not just a little bit of ice, but evidence of ancient rivers, lakes, and even oceans. The evidence is written all over the Martian landscape, from the dried-up riverbeds to the smooth, eroded rocks, all whispering tales of a watery past. Now, Mars today is a cold, dry desert, but billions of years ago, it may have been a very different place. A place where rivers flowed and oceans lapped at the shores, a place perhaps where life could have arisen. For centuries we've looked to other planets and wondered, are we alone? But what if the answer to that question lies right here on Earth in the most extreme environments imaginable? What if life is far more resilient, far more adaptable than we ever imagined? Enter extremophiles, organisms that thrive in conditions that would kill most other life forms. We're talking about creatures that laugh in the face of boiling hot springs, acidic pools, and the crushing pressures of the deep ocean. These are life forms that make the toughest creatures on other planets look like pampered house pets. Take, for example, the tardigrades, also known as water bears. These microscopic creatures can survive being frozen, boiled, dried out, and even blasted into space. Talk about hardcore. At number 9, we journey into the vast cosmic kitchen, a place where the universe's most fascinating recipes are concocted. Here, stars are born, and complex organic molecules take shape. You see, it's not just about planets, it's about the raw ingredients for life scattered throughout the universe, waiting to be discovered. We've discovered complex organic molecules like amino acids, the very building blocks of proteins, not on some distant planet, but floating in the interstellar clouds, the cosmic nurseries of stars. Think about that for a second. These molecules, essential for life as we know it, are not confined to Earth. They're out there, in the vast expanse of space, hinting at the possibility that life's ingredients are more common, more ubiquitous, than we ever dared to imagine. These discoveries are like finding chocolate chips in a cloud of flour and sugar. You don't have a cookie yet, but you know the potential is there, and that's what makes these findings so profound. They suggest that the universe is not sterile and barren, but teeming with the potential for life. These molecules, formed in the crucibles of dying stars, are then dispersed throughout the cosmos, potentially seeding new solar systems with the building blocks of life. Imagine the vastness of space, filled with these tiny, yet crucial components of life. It's like a cosmic treasure hunt, where each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. The Milky Way alone, with its billions of stars, could be a vast repository of these organic molecules, each one a potential seed for life. As we continue to explore and study these molecules, we open up new possibilities for finding life beyond our planet. The universe, it seems, is a grand experiment in life, with countless trials and errors happening across the cosmos. These organic molecules are the first step in a long journey, a journey that could lead to the discovery of extraterrestrial life. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that it's not just a sea of stars, but a vast cosmic kitchen where the ingredients for life are being mixed and stirred. And who knows, maybe one day we'll find that perfect recipe for life beyond Earth. Until then, we continue to explore, to dream, and to marvel at the wonders of the universe, because in the end, it's the potential for life that makes the cosmos so profoundly beautiful. These molecules, formed in the crucibles of dying stars, are then dispersed throughout the cosmos, potentially seeding new solar systems with the building blocks of life. And with each new discovery, we get a little closer to understanding the grand tapestry of life in the universe. At number 10, we shift our focus from molecules to entire worlds, exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. These are not just distant points of light, but entire worlds with their own unique characteristics and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Thanks to groundbreaking missions like Kepler and TESS, we're no longer just speculating about the existence of these distant worlds. We're discovering them by the thousands. These missions have provided us with a treasure trove of data, revealing the incredible diversity of planets that exist beyond our solar system. These telescopes, our eyes on the cosmos, have revolutionized our understanding of planetary systems and opened up a whole new realm of possibilities in the search for life beyond Earth. With each new discovery, we gain insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. Imagine a cosmic dance, with stars and planets waltzing through the cosmos. Each star system has its own unique rhythm and pattern, creating a mesmerizing ballet of celestial bodies. Kepler and TESS detect these exoplanets by observing the subtle dips in a star's brightness as a planet transits or passes in front of it. This method, known as the transit method, has proven to be incredibly effective in identifying new worlds. It's like trying to spot a firefly passing in front of a spotlight, but these high-precision instruments are up to the task. The sensitivity and accuracy of these telescopes allow us to detect even the faintest changes in starlight, leading to the discovery of countless exoplanets. And the discoveries have been nothing short of astonishing. Each new exoplanet found adds a piece to the puzzle of our universe, revealing the incredible variety of planetary systems that exist. We're finding planets of all shapes and sizes, from gas giants larger than Jupiter to rocky worlds like our own. Some of these planets have extreme conditions with temperatures and atmospheres unlike anything we see in our solar system. But here's the kicker. We're finding planets located within the habitable zones of their stars, the Goldilocks zone, where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. These are the planets that hold the greatest potential for life as we know it. These are the worlds that get us really excited. The possibility of finding life beyond Earth is one of the most profound questions in science, and each new discovery brings us one step closer to answering it. Planets that could potentially have oceans, atmospheres, and maybe, just maybe, life as we know it. The search for exoplanets is not just about finding new worlds, but about understanding our place in the universe and the potential for life beyond our own planet. And so, we reach the end of our countdown, our exploration of the 10 most compelling scientific hints of extraterrestrial life. From mysterious signals from the depths of space to the discovery of planets that could harbor life as we know it, these findings remind us that the universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonder and endless possibilities. We've journeyed from the depths of our oceans to the clouds of Venus, from the dusty plains of Mars to the interstellar clouds where stars are born, all in search of an answer to one of humanity's oldest and most profound questions. Are we alone? While we may not have definitive proof just yet, the evidence is mounting, and the search for extraterrestrial life is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It's a scientific endeavor driven by data, observation, and a profound curiosity about our place in the cosmos. What do you think? After this journey through the cosmos, do you believe we are alone? Or do you believe that somewhere out there, on a distant world, life may have taken hold? Share your thoughts, your hopes, your dreams in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this exploration of the universe and the search for extraterrestrial life, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more cosmic adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe. Remember, every discovery starts with a question, and every question leads us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. So, let's continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and embrace the spirit of exploration that drives us forward. The universe is vast, and our journey has only just begun. With each new discovery, we come closer to answering the age-old question, and perhaps one day, we will find that we are not alone in this vast expanse. Until then, let's keep our eyes on the stars and our minds open to the possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. See you next time.